I built an SEO agency from 0 to 7 figures in under 2 years. Most of my clients came from Upwork. Now, when I landed my first SEO client in SEO, I barely knew what SEO stood for. In fact, this first project went so poorly that I managed to get their entire domain de-indexed by Google. That was a rough start. It was also years ago. Since then, I've had hundreds of successful SEO engagements. I've worked with Adobe, Stanley Black & Decker, Skillshare, and more huge clients. My largest client was paying my agency over $30,000 a month. My smallest client was around $50. Nearly all of my clients came from Upwork. I built a 7-figure SEO agency by sending proposals on Upwork. My name is Caleb Ulku, and I'm going to break down in great detail exactly how I built a 7-figure agency and exactly how my team and I execute successful SEO engagements over and over again. I'm going to tell you about the tools that I rely on to manage my team, my calendar, and to manage my clients. I've worked with hundreds of new agency owners one-on-one to help them start and grow their own SMMA and SEO agencies. I've helped a training group of over 7,000 people do the same thing and personally watched hundreds of members grow their own 6- and 7-figure agencies for social media marketing and search engine optimization. No secrets, nothing held back. I want you to have a successful agency so that you can leave the 9 to 5 and have the financial freedom that you want. Now, this isn't going to be easy. There's no get rich quick button. This is real work. It takes discipline. It takes consistency. But if you can commit, if you can find that discipline, that consistency, then you can build a 6-figure agency in less than a year. I'm going to show you how you can make money online. Over the years, I've had many custom tools built for my agency, especially recent ones that leverage generative AI like ChatGPT to accelerate project timelines in SEO. I'll give them to you as a thank you for watching. My goal is to provide you with value because honestly, I do have things to sell, but I'm not going to talk about those things very often. Usually, I'm not going to mention them at all. I'm just going to give you the exact methods, the exact steps that you can use to grow your own business. Now, SEO is something I really enjoy, and my family sometimes gets bored when I try to talk with them about it. So I'm going to give exact detailed steps and how I've trained my team to do SEO. And again, nothing held back, no weird tricks, just the exact things my team and I do to get results in SEO.